Let's address the elephant in the room. We know a lot of people are sadly not on Team Valvetronic. You guys think we drop ship, our products are made in China, or that you can buy the same thing on Alibaba. Well, you were right. When I started this company 6 years ago, I was a sophomore at Lehigh University, and I was trying to figure out what I needed to do to build the best exhaust systems in the world. At that time, me as a sophomore in college, the only option was to drop ship. And we get a lot of hate because of how this company began. Fast forward to today, we've changed quite a lot. And I'm sure you've changed as well over the past 6 years. Business has evolved, people have changed, and our practices have been highly, highly improved. Our past is our past, and if you judge us for it, we get it. We have everything to learn from our past to be a better company for tomorrow. But we invite you guys to judge us on who we are today, our practices today, our policies, how we interact with our consumer base, and offer a great product to the enthusiast community. Yes, you guys are right, our systems are made in China, but quite honestly, look around us. Everything in our world today is built in China. That's just a reality we have to accept. Now at our facility here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania, everything that you see is designed, engineered, developed, and tested right here before it goes out to enthusiasts around the world. We've worked hard to optimize our system, and it really comes from our focus on ensuring that everybody gets that best experience, whether it comes to your interaction with the clamps, the hardware that's included with the system, the tip coatings, the tip fitment, having everything CFD flow tested, and making sure that all of our CAD data is as accurate as possible so you get the best flow and the best fitment characteristics. We obviously have a lot to learn, but we're really trying to put our best foot forward so that you, the enthusiast, have the best experience. Also looked back on some of the systems you might see behind us and optimize those. So systems that we put out 4 or 5 years ago, they have the latest and greatest developments that we're developing and engineering right here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. To the untrained eye, our systems might look very similar to those that you can buy from other companies and from Alibaba and AliExpress. But the difference is all in the details. It's all in the little engineering pieces that we've focused on to deliver the best experience for enthusiasts. You're definitely going to feel these little things over time. Let's take an example, F90 M5, $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 car. Your experience with your exhaust can go from really positive to really negative with just one rattle or one valve failure. It's just like a fake pair of shoes. The more you wear that fake pair of shoes, the more you realize that the authentic product is always worth the money. Make sure you're buying authentic when it comes to picking the exhaust system that you want, because it might look similar, but it is indeed quite different. If you think our systems are from Alibaba and you think we're price gouging, we get it, we understand, and you are welcome to spend your money however you like. Additionally, we invite you to consider this. These companies on Alibaba have one goal, and that's to sell as much product as possible. And when that product arrives to you and it isn't right, it doesn't fit, and you get no support, it's kind of out of their hands because these websites are for suppliers. Try to charge it back on your credit card, not gonna happen. You're going to lose that charge back. So always remember, when it comes to choosing the exhaust system for your car, we know we're not the cheapest option, but if we're delivering an experience, it's going to be the best out there. And always consider, what are the cost of your cost savings if you decide to cheap out, when that $1,500, $2,000, $2,500 that you spent on a copy exhaust isn't what you thought it was going to be. We invite you to judge us on who we are today rather than who we were 6, 5, 4, 3 years ago. And if you're still not on board with myself and my team, I get it. And along our journey, we want to make you proud, whether you're a customer or not. We love the automotive hobby just like you do. We wouldn't have gotten into this business if we weren't true enthusiasts, much like yourself. And we are doing our best every day. Myself and my staff of over 30 people located here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. We're doing our best every day for you. We hope this changes your opinion, whether you buy from us or not, or you see our videos, or you're a fan, or you're hopefully one day gonna say, you know what, Valvetronic Designs is worth the money. I want the best experience. And you come to us for that, because at the end of the day, right here, 7 Rowell Road, Boyertown, Pennsylvania, 19512. Our team here, we only have one goal, and that's to make sure no stock exhaust is left standing. Thanks so much for watching.